Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be working on the Forester. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so in this episode I'll be fitting the O-ring to the power steering pump so air can't get in, and I'll also be sealing up the top of the reservoir. So I'll take these off, reseal it, I'll get the water out and leave it for a couple of days. Today is Thursday, so by the time you see this it'll be all dry and ready to go, and we'll be out the door because we need the Forester to pick up some supplies so we can get the Skyline started. Let's do it. Also guys, I need to pick up a battery, so I'll probably do that today as well, so you'll see that in this episode. Obviously check some fluids too, and yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's Saturday, so got myself another battery. That's not it, but I did get another Century battery, so that's pretty much all I can find around this area, unless it's like twice as much, like price wise. So what we're going to do, I'll seal this up. Looks like we're getting some leakage, so I'll seal that up and also do the power steering, and I'll change over the battery. What I might do first is power steering, and I'll do the battery, start it up, see how it is, see where the leak is, clean it all up and seal it. How's that sound? Sounds alright? Cool. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so we're going to be doing the power steering first. So it's down around here. It's a 12mm bolt. 12. It's a bit annoying with the larger silicon intake. Probably have some spillage too of fluid. I just dropped the bolt. Great. Can't see where it went. Great, it wasn't recording. Okay, so I just got the hose off, and fluids come all the way up because I drained it out of the hose. So let's pick up this O-ring and this O-ring. Soft, but it's not the right size. Sorry guys. I'll just test it on the end. It's supposed to seal. It's a bit loose. So I've got our O-rings here, and we'll see which one fits. Alright guys, I found one. It fits on nice and snug. Let's tighten that. Hopefully that's good. If not, I'm probably not going to say anything. So the fluid's right up. This hose here does not have any fluid in it. I'm going to head out to the Peugeot and pick up, or get the battery out because it was raining when I came back with the battery, and we'll swap it over and compare the differences. Alrighty, let's get this battery out. Alrighty, so we have Century High Performance. This has 24-month warranty. It's bought 4 years ago. It's been flat many times for the ultra high performance. So here, this is the recommended battery for a Forester. This is the highly recommended battery for the Forester. Did actually, where is it? Cold crank. Where are you? Yeah, 620. I believe this one is, what's 530 maybe. So we've got better cold crank. Let's get this in and hear it crank over and start up for the first time by itself in a long time. Check how the power steering is. Probably have to run it through side to side a couple of times to get the air out of the system, and then hopefully by then the water's come up through the reservoir and we can see where it's leaking and we can get stuck to that. So stuck on that. And we'll do that and it'll sit for a few days. So this episode will come out on Monday. So that's when I'll start it up and move it out and start driving it. I did today go to Bunnings to actually get a compressor, but I was in the Peugeot and the compressor box is huge, so it wouldn't fit. So I'm gonna have to take the Forester down to get it, and obviously I only get 3 tables. We got 2 tables for fiberglassing and a metal table here for welding and fabrication and whatnot. And yeah, let's do it. Top 6. Right boys, first time in a long time by itself. Put this back on. How good was that? Hi boys, it's actually coming out of the hard line. I'm not sure if, well, this is a FG steering pump, so seems to be fine there, but it's leaking here. This little raised bit as well, it is leaking from that bottom washer down, then fix the washers. It's actually coming up from the bottom, then we're gonna have to get another pump. There is quite a bit around here, so it's obviously leaking from there as well. And we just had a shitload leak out. But the battery was freaking awesome, wasn't it? Started up straight away. Put the leak around there. Might just dry that off and put some around it on the external. Not worrying about taking the top off, because if I take the top off then it could cause more leakage. So I'll just dry that up and put it around the bottom there. If I really want to, I'll take one bolt out at a time and put some sealant on it and put it back in. That might help. But yeah, like it's just around that big one to the turbo. Hang on boys, it's actually coming out of the hose. Sorry, I was just having a close look and I can actually see some coolant getting past the clamp. So that clamp is not the best, or we can double clamp it. Could probably double clamp it. So that's good. Didn't really want to put anything on it. Let's find a good clamp. Hi boys, just double clamped it. Actually got the sockets onto it so I could tighten it down a bit better. So there's nothing leaking. I did that with just a one and it actually sprayed out. Obviously it's got a bit of pressure there as well because of the cap. Alright. So battery's done, that's done for now, hopefully. Oh, hopefully it's all done. Power steering, cannot have it like that, so power steering, so much fluid. I'm going to take this 14 out. Now my original one, that 14 up too tight and actually cracked the casing and then it started leaking and then I had no power steering. So that's why this power steering is on there. There are plenty of Foresters at the moment at Jolly's in Ringwood, so if I need another one, there's one there. Just a bit of a pain. Bit of a pain to get it out while it's all together. Oh. This doesn't look good. Might need some new brass washers here. The inside of that doesn't look very good. Yeah. Check the time. 5:30. Cool. Closes at 9. Bunnings closes at 9. Should be able to go find some. Back in a sec, boys. Alrighty, boys. I am back and couldn't get any. It is a public holiday today, so everything closed at 5, I believe, when normally it would stay up until about 7. Couldn't get them. So this is me done for tonight. I'll catch you tomorrow. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. It's about 9 o'clock. The shop should be open. It's grand final day as well. So we're going to be quite busy today with family stuff. Got a couple of parties on. Gotta get some washers. Also I need to pick up a microwave because I nearly burnt down the house last night. Put up a picture. I was supposed to put a kitchen timer on, but I actually put the cook timer on for 20 minutes and yeah, it caught fire. Anyways, let's go get some washers. Alrighty guys, I'm back. I had to buy 2 packets because there's only 1 in there and I need 2, which is really annoying. But I won't be doing them now because I've got to get ready to go out. So I'll do them when we get back. Hopefully I'm not too drunk and we get it done tonight. And hopefully that stops it squealing. If it doesn't, we need to replace the power steering. There's nothing else to really do. Hang around guys, I'll be back. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's actually Sunday morning. It's about 8 o'clock. 8:10. Quite early. Wake up about 6:30. But yeah, had a little bit to drink yesterday, so let's see how we go with these. Let's get stuck into the power steering. Might need a bigger one on the bottom actually because it tapers in and it's got the thread. That small one might not actually land on the flat. So got a throat lozenge. It's Had a bit of a sore throat the last few days, so bear with me, guys. Well, that sucks. That's like perfect. So we really only need to get one. I reckon that might work. Hardest part is not cross-threading this bolt. Popped off. If you didn't watch when I changed the axles, when I jacked it up, it made the carpet come up, dropped down and rolled out. If I want to start it, it's quite early for a Sunday. Right, I'll start it. That's annoying. Definitely got some air coming in, and it's not leaking anywhere near. I don't think it's leaking at all, actually, from where it was. So it might have multiple spots of where it's leaking. Have to get down into the rack, which is really annoying. You can't even see it. I'm actually going to leave this episode here, guys, so I can edit it and get it out to you guys. It's been over like 3 or 4 days for this episode. So tune in for Tuesday's episode when we get this out. Should have the power steering sorted, and go pick up some equipment. If you haven't yet, guys, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this episode. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.